Hey, this is a little tutorial to show you how to set up my patcher. I'm assuming you already have an avatar set up in Unity, so that's the shape keys, the animation controller, and the parameters. If you don't have all that, there's going to be a little tutorial out there on how to put Jerry's template on. If you don't already have shape keys and feel like confident enough to build them, there's another tutorial on how to do them. Other than that, let's get on to the video. You're going to want to download Python and the latest version of my patcher. When you install Python, you want to click add Python to path and install pip. Go through the install and restart your computer. Once that's done, you're going to want to open a terminal, type pip install installer. It's gonna do its thing, let it do, and once it's done, you can close the window. Then extract the latest version of my patcher. Open the Python IDLE. Copy the path there. File, open. There we go. Go ahead and select FT Builder, open, and press F5. You're going to want to locate your original model's FBX. Can be easily done by clicking on the avatar component there. Hit show in Explorer and pasting that in there. This is the one. Open. And then you want to get the face tracked FBX, so same thing there. Right click, show in Explorer, copy, and paste. Hit open. I've got a thing that lets you input your custom README and description things. It's basically like a folder where you have a bunch of txt files, and it's gonna ask you for what you want to replace those placeholder with. It's quite handy if you're doing a bunch of avatars at once. But I'm not going to waste your time there. I'm gonna hit cancel, and it should ask me for the name of my avatar. In my custom thing, it says Kuta, so I'm gonna put that there. Kuta. It's going to do its thing to create the patcher. We are done. So you want to hit show in Explorer in your assets folder. Copy your custom folder there. Copy and paste it there. And once that's done, Unity should import all the Python things. And you should now have a new directory called patcher. If you double click it and it says success, you have a working patcher. And now to distribute it, usually right click on my thing, export package, untick anything that doesn't have to do with my face tracking. So I don't want anything of the original model. Untick the FBX there because that's some original data, and hit export, and then you should be good to export it places. Test Unity package, hit save, and it should export as a package that you can then sell on Booth, Ko-Fi, or Gumroad. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I have face tracking add-ons on Booth and Ko-Fi. Feel free to support me there. All the tools are free, so if you have any questions about them, feel free to ping me in the VRChat face tracking Discord. I'll probably be there answering questions. But yeah, take it easy.